Cosa riesce da salute che hai, Hama Pitubhajan Mani but I. So Shriram responds to the question, who are you? He says, we are the sons of Dasharatha. Cosa riesce da Dasharatha. We are the sons of Dasharatha, Lord of Kosal. Kosal is Ayodhya. And says, Hum Pitu Bachan Mani Ban I. Pitu Bachan means the words of my father. Mani Ban I, to come in this verse. It says, it's in response to my father's, in obedience to my father's command, we have come to the forest. He says, Nam Ram Lakshmana Duhai. Our names are, I am Ram and my brother Lakshman. We are brothers. He says, Sanganari Sukumari Subhai. He says, Nari, so in our companionship was a beautiful lady, my wife. That is Sita. She was young and beautiful. In my company, she was with us. But when he saw the news of 2 brothers, she was not there. So now he explains.